You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, I'm tired.
With broken hands and withered souls, emancipated from all you know. You got to go and dig those holes.
Man, you slow, bro. D10. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're singing. Y'all know nothing about that. Watch me. Watch me. Come on, Ed. Come on, Ed. Prove yourself.
Dig it up, dig it. Dig it up, dig it up, dig it. Dig it up,
Hey guys, Dill Digger here. I'm at a nice little base spot. A lot of activity has been going on around here way back to the 1840s and 50s. As you can see, there's a lot of junk down there too, because there's a major road right behind me. Some big silver, or not silver, big iron rings. A lot of cool, interesting stuff here. There's actually a couple posts standing up over there, like an old dock and maybe an old ship. Around this bend, there might be more stuff. There's some more rocks there. But I was just tooling around down here where all these little rocks are and actually found this. I thought it was a bottle, but I'm thinking it's way too skinny at the base. I'm trying to find a mold mark. I'm not really seeing one. I don't know, what do you guys think? Candle holder, vase. Very skinny up there. Anyways, I'm waiting on Phil, and then we're gonna hit this. Till next time. Oh, what am I saying? You'll see me at the first hole. So I'm out here detecting. Phil finally showed up. My first good target. There's a spark plug. It's a house key or a car key. I'm not sure yet. That's probably some sort of key. But there used to be 3 old houses right here back in the 50s or so. Maybe some of them came down to swim. Let's find out. There's a cool little find. 1/2 ounce Duralagos inkwell bottle, maybe. It's kind of cool. There's so much glass here and all sorts of other stuff. I'm just looking with my eyes mainly. So much junk in here. So much junk. I am finding some cool stuff like this. Rounded right here. I have no idea if it's a top. It's got like a little arch with an A on it. I don't know if you can see that. Inkwell, maybe? No idea. I'll go back at it. A lot of glass here. I think I'm just gonna dig up some bottles. Well, I didn't dig it because it sounded bad, but my first okay target. Spoon. I'll get back to you if there's anything fancy on it. This place is just littered with glass and whatnot. But check this out. Nice old boat. Let's see if there's anything cool in here. I'm sure it's been picked through. Old sink. Old cabinets. Old throttle. Steering wheel, copper wire. Shaft. Pretty sure someone's already been in here and cleaned it all out. Still pretty cool. Get back to it. There's so much stuff here. I'm basically mudlarking at this point. Something green. Little handle or something. All sorts of cool glass colors. Teacup handle. Orange. Green, like milk glass. It's kind of cool. Alright, let's get back to it. Definitely some older docks down that way too. Some old trees, maybe people, there used to be a couple houses back here. maybe some people laid down and lost some coins. Phil might have, or he might have a Indian head kind of beat up. Definitely looks like a wreath on the back. All right, let's get to it. Hook glass balm or something. I'll keep that. Cobalt, yeah. They're not that old. However, I do see a Coke. Oh, it's whole. Let's see what's on the bottom. Bremerton, Washington. Yeah, finally something local-ish. Here's a cool one. Gibson's. Take that home, clean that. There's all sorts of weird ones in here. A lot of screw top though. Nice old ashtray. That would have been nice. All sorts of pottery and stuff too. A lot of this is china on it. No idea how old it is. I'll get back to you if I see anything cool. Like this big boy. Nothing fancy. Alright, I'll get back to you. On the surface, but it's an old lipstick. I might be able to get some reading off of that. Let's get back to it. Cool. Nice little watch gear. So much junk in here. I'm just digging small tones. Something tight and crisp. Just another little brown bottle. Nothing. Well guys, I'm at a nice little spot up here. I found a lot of clad and stuff. But I'm gonna try this out for a little bit. Got a nice solid mid. Ooh. And there's a high tone right there. Nice. Double tonage. No, of course. Pull tab. Let's go see what that high tone is. Where was it? Just bear with me. I'm got a broken ankle on my left. It's kind of hurts a little bit. Sounds like a weight. Yeah, that's what it is. And a weird worm. Alright, let's get back to it. Weight in a freaking pull tab. This target sounded really weird. That's why. It's a hole in a spoon. Stainless, fancy. I don't know why it gave me a high tone when it's stainless. Maybe because of the hole. Who knows? Alright, let's get back to it. This is kind of weird, guys. I kept hearing flop, 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 flop. Look at all of these little fishes just swimming up on the shore. Are they grunions? Burying in the sand? They just bury themselves in the sand. Long eel-like things. Weird. Alright, I'm on like 3 scoops down right now. Think I'm in the clay. Oh, yeah. Or at least the black stuff. Oh, it's like the 5th one of these. Keep finding all these old lead spinner things for plunking, I think they call it. Plunking fishing. I'm gonna have a lot of lead today. But you know what? That's where the lead is, that's where the gold is. Another one, but I'm in the rocks and clay. This is really weird and I feel really bad. Because I had a big crab in here to get this another lead weight thing, spinner. And there's a half a fish right there. I'm sorry, buddy. Well, that crab got a free meal, if that wasn't his meal already. I think it is a grunion run because everything in here Every scoop I see fish move. I think they're just in here. There's no signs or anything. Oh well, I'm gonna keep fishing. All right, this is something weird. I think I got myself a little lighter. Oh yeah, that is freaking cool. There might be a patent date on it or something. Heck yeah, I'll take that. Definitely some old stuff here. Well, those just clobbered me. Just when I saw a big halibut, I was just about to film it, I got soaked. But, I'm sorry, buddy. Got another fish chopped in half. Cool little Lamborghini. Cool. All right, let's get back to it. What is it with all these things, man? Jesus. No, I got a yellow one. Nice. A lot of sea lions out here too. They're scaring me. Jeez, talk about a weight. Juice. It's a big boy. Looks handmade. Alright, I'm working on my 5th scoop. Started out as a bleep and now it's getting better and better. Oh, I already see it. It's pink. That's all I'm digging is these things. I don't even know if they're lead. Man, if only Lima Juliet looked like this. Papa, November Papa, always looks like this, but there's a lot of junk. I'm off to a new spot. I'm gonna head back there once it goes low where I was. I'm tired of finding weights. I'm going to where I found a fake gold coin and a whole bunch of keys a couple weeks ago. A whole bunch of clad too. I need to find some silver and gold, guys. This drought stinks. All right, once I get there, I'll show you. Oh, I'm already there. Wow. Just got eroded a lot. See all the green rocks? Oh yeah, I'm definitely going out here now. The old rock right there, people jump off of. I'll go out there a bit. All right, let's get to it. That sounds real good. Oh, alrighty. Let the can slaw games begin. I think I got a tag. Seattle Care Center. I don't think that's a cremation tag. I'm gonna hold on to it, do some research. If it is, I'll bring it back and toss it back in. But I'm hunting this slope where it comes down right here to these rocks, and I'm hoping rings and stuff over the days just come down and get stuck in these rocks. Same with coins and whatnot. So far so good. That's coin size. That's kind of heavy and tarnished. I'll test it too when I get home. And my goal is to hit this and grit it. I know a lot of people swim up to that rock at high tide. High tide goes almost up to those old trees, believe it or not. So it's a nice little 15-foot drop right now. So I'm gonna try to hit that while I can. Oh, I think he's dead. Nope, he's alive. Oh, got my first zinc in. First coin of the day. I caught one. Right behind the head. Oops. Oh, got my first zinc in. First coin of the day. Hey guys, I'm out here fishing at Point No Point. This place is very hot in the fall for salmon run, like pinks and silvers. It's actually pretty good for halibut. There's a lot of sandy area right here. That guy over there already caught, I think he has 3 or 4 nice sized flounder. He's packing up for the day, it looks like. I'm out here, I got a P-line lean cod rig with the 2 rubber squids. I actually got some chopped up squid on there. And Marie has a nice little slip rod with a little green sardine on there, or anchovy. And we're gonna see what we can catch. I see a lot of bait fish out in very close to shore, and a lot of it's jumping from stuff attacking it. So all the birds are there. So let's see if we get anything. Of course, she gets the first one. Nice little flounder. He's a baby, let him go back.
I'm gonna.
Yep, just on a strip of squid and a little slider rig. As you were reeling it in, you got hit? Or you didn't know?
No, he stopped fighting.
He didn't fight at all? No?
No, not once I started reeling.
You're just fishing close to shore. And there he goes. Whew!
Oh, they're so weird.
Yeah, they wave up and down. He's chilling. He probably sees the school of fish that's right there. He's going right for it. If you see it, big old sea otter. He got himself a nice little fishy. It's my turn. I ain't getting hit yet. I got one big hit though, to be fair. Hit good, guys. Let's see. Oh, darn it. Of course not. My pole almost fell out of the dang fish holder. Oh, he's still there. I'm gonna walk closer. What? Oh. I don't know if I got one or not. It's got weight. It's probably seaweed. Oh, my line's moving. What the heck do I got? I think I got me a baby cod. Got no idea what that is. Flatfish or something. He's got freaking teeth. And so, rockfish? Yeah, I don't know what type. Ow, he's got teeth. Check him out, nice little flatfish, cod or something. All right, let's get back to it. The otter, another one. There's 2 of them out here just killing these fish. Yep, there's one all the way out there. Slaughtering them. She just lost a big one. Nice little hit. Big old ship coming out. It's beautiful out here, nice and calm. I believe we're at slack tide right now, or just at low tide. It's about to come back up. It's pretty much a slack tide. So where the flounder at? We'll find out. Oh yeah, he's spit. He's spitting up those little candlefish. Oh, she got another one.
Oh,
Yeah, those are the fish that I was
cool.
catching. Candlefish.
Oh,
Here, I'll just get this off and you can take a photo.
oh, he's cool looking. Look at his horns.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if it's a sculpin type or something. They're poisonous.
Oh, yeah.
He inhaled it.
I mean, you'd think they'd just fight a little more, right?
I guess. The other one I had bit down pretty good.
Alright, dude. I
Might
think
be
you're
a-
right. I think he is a sculpin.
That or a robin. Robin fish. Be careful. Whoa. He's caught.
Alright, girl.
There he goes. Should probably get. We're gonna give you that freaking fish for bait.
What?
We're gonna give you the squid and the fish for bait that he spit up. Well, I just saw a big, huge school of sardines just jumping out of the water. Swapping up to a bigger rig, 60-pound dropper loop. I got 40-pound or 50-pound mono, and then behind that, 65-pound braid. I'm using these big old hooks. I believe they're 6/0. I'm gonna throw the whole squid heads on there. Big old heads. I'm trying to go for something bigger. Try to get something big. Gotta catch more than her. Oh, another flounder. You little stinker.
This one's bigger.
That might be a little sand dab. Or bring it up a little bit more. Going down. Oh, flip on your belly.
Keeping this one, right?
Nah, I want them bigger. He swallowed the hook. Nice little sand dab, flounder. We'll let him go. Do you want to let him go or do you want me to do
I'll
it?
let him go.
No, the other one was bigger. Whoosh. No, buddy, come on. Ooh. He doesn't know what's going on. He's off. Got clobbered. She's got another one of those cod fishies.
Bigger than the other ones.
Yep, you got the biggest one.
Look at it.
Spitting all of them up? Alright, I'll move my stuff down here real quick. See the hook or no? You need the snips? The vice snips? That's a big one.
Yeah. He's got his tail's shaped different though.
Him, flop, 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 flop. It's my turn. Alright, I'm getting tired of her catching all the fish, so I'm going to get a little lightweight pole. While the big one's soaking, I'm gonna fish with the little pole, little bass rod. All right, I'm getting tired of her catching all the fish, so I'm going to get a little lightweight pole. While the big one's soaking, I'm gonna fish with the little pole, little bass rod. Guess it would help if I had my keys. She has them. Well, it looks like I got one. Swallowed that whole freaking head of squid. Little fatty. Actually, you know, I think this one had the fish on it. Oh, the seaweed too. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna put some smaller hooks on this. Try to get some more stuff. I want to catch a flounder. She's been catching them all. Doing a little special. Doing some squid. And I'm wrapping it up with a little sardine. Sardines will probably fall off once I cast them, honestly. They're frozen. Who knows? We'll find out. And she caught another one. Baby, baby! And she caught another one. Who would have thought? She got a bait sized one. This might be my last cast. You're not supposed to fish here past sunset. What's crazy is it's like 9 o'clock and the sun is still out. That's how far north I am. Ah, that was horrible. Nope, I do not like that cast. That one will not fly for me. Yep, all the fishies came off. There we go. What? All I'm doing is clicking my drag. Just doing this to keep it tight. And setting her up like that. Some bait gets it, it's gonna run. You have a fish. Of course she catches another. There's a sea lion straight out in front of you. He'll pop up. Where is he? Where'd you go? Butthead. Somewhere. Big old tug. He's probably gonna wait for her to throw that fish back in. Pretty sure I'm getting hit. Could be just a whole clump of seaweed. Once I clear this all up, this will probably be my last cast. It's already 10 o'clock at night and the sun is just now like basically setting. I'm gonna whip this one out and make it count. Say about, I'm casting it maybe 150 feet out, but it's like 20 feet deep. Alright, last cast. Let's see if I get anything. I think I got one. Might. Just got a hit. I might. Got a hit right as I was reeling it in. Nope. Nada. Well, we're calling it quits. She beat me. Ugh.